Here's how to upscale a video's resolution using Canva's built-in Video Upscaler app. First, download the video you want to upscale. Open it in Canva, click Share, then Download, and save it to your computer. Now, on the left sidebar, click Apps and search for Video Upscaler. Click it and select Open. Click Choose File and upload the video you just downloaded. Once uploaded, find the Switch Upscale Resolution option and select your target quality. 1080p gives the best result for most use cases. Click Upscale Video and wait for the process to complete. Once finished, click Add to Design to bring it back into your Canva project. The result will be visibly sharper, especially on footage that was originally low resolution. A realistic expectation. AI upscaling improves clarity, but it cannot fully recreate detail that was never captured. The improvement is most noticeable on soft or blurry footage and less dramatic on footage that was already reasonably sharp. Use it as an enhancement tool rather than expecting a full resolution reconstruction. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.